we want to see how we can represent this information on the Cartesian plane, not on a number line. All right, so just follow along. Represent x is greater than 3 on the Cartesian plane. Okay, so let's represent it together. Look at it. The first thing I'm going to do, they say we should represent x is greater than 3. So we are looking for x is greater than 3. Let's say, supposing we're having x is greater than or equal to 3. I would have, look at what I would have done. I would have, because x is greater than or equal to 3, I would have drawn a line across where 3 is standing. Like, look at it. I would have drawn a bold line across where 3 is standing. Supposing we're having x is greater than or equal to what? 3, like this. I would have drawn a vertical line across where 3 is standing. But because the question says we should what? We should represent x is what? X is greater than or equal to, x is greater than 3, just greater than 3. See what we are going to do? Because it's just greater than, not greater than or equal to, we are going to draw dotted line across. We're going to draw dotted line across 3. Where 3 is standing, we draw dotted line across where 3 is standing. Dotted line across where 3 is standing. Now, if you check very well, after 1, we have 2, we have 3. After 3, you have 4, you have 5, and all of that. So, x is greater than 3 means all the numbers that are greater than, that are bigger than 3. Alright? So, if we want to show this region, we are going to say that the region that shows that x is greater than 3 is actually towards the back of this place, because all the numbers to the left hand side of 3 are all greater than what? 3. So we shade to this towards this side. We're going to say that all these numbers towards this side, they are all greater than 3. So this is the shaded region represent what? Represent x is greater than 3. So we can claim that this shaded region is x is greater than 3. All the number greater than 3 has been represented by this. Now, supposing we're told to represent x is greater than 3 on a number line, we would have done this. Supposing I say represent this information on a number line, we would have drawn just a horizontal line like this, and then we will now, after you have drawn horizontal line, you can now calibrate the horizontal line. This is 0. To the right hand side, you have 1, you have 2, you have 3, you have 4, you have 5, and so on and so forth. Alright, then to the left hand side, this way, you have left hand side of 0, you have -1, -2, -3, and so on and so forth. So you go to where x is equal to what? Where you have 3. You draw a hollow circle, an unshaded small circle around that x is equal to 3. Now what do? Because you want to represent x is greater than 3, you point the arrow backward. Why did that? Then you now write x is greater than 3, meaning that all the numbers towards the back of 3 are all greater than 3. If I shade this circle, it means x is greater than or equal to 3. But that is not what we are told to find. So we're told to just represent x is what? Is greater than 3. So we would have done this, assuming they say we should represent this on a number line. But since they say we should do this on a Cartesian plane, this is the correct answer or correct representation to that question. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Please do well to like, to share, to subscribe, to follow. Please do well to tell somebody about Math Albatua. Remain blessed.